Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, according to tipster Ice Universe, seems to have a similar display crease as its predecessor, raising questions about the rumored water drop hinge technology. Previous reports suggested that the new foldable phone would feature a droplet hinge designed to minimize the visibility of the crease. However, the latest leak indicates that the crease is unlikely to see any significant changes this year. Samsung is reportedly conducting durability tests on the device, possibly to assess the effectiveness of the new hinge design alongside the existing U-shaped hinge. Chinese phone manufacturers have embraced the water drop hinge technology, with Oppo's Find N2 receiving positive reviews for having the least visible crease in the industry. Nevertheless, durability remains a crucial concern as the foldable form factor continues to evolve. In terms of specifications, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is expected to feature a tall 7.6-inch primary inner display and a 6.2-inch outer cover screen, both utilizing AMOLED panels with a 120 Hz refresh rate. Under the hood, the device will be powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC. The rear camera setup is rumored to include a 50-megapixel primary sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide angle lens, and a 10-megapixel periscope lens offering 3x optical zoom and optical image stabilization, OIS. On the front, a 12-megapixel selfie camera is expected. Additional features of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 include Gorilla Glass Victus 2 for enhanced durability and an IPX8 rating for water resistance. The device is likely to run on Android 13 OS with Samsung's One UI on top. It will support 25W fast charging and is rumored to have an under-display camera for selfies. According to a recent report, Galaxy Z Fold 5 along with Galaxy Z Flip 5 will launch on July. The new colors for the Z Flip 5 are said to be blue, green, yellow, and platinum. The beige, gray, light green, and light pink ones we're already aware of. If you're interested in this flip phone, it sounds like you'll have a lot of color options to choose from. Extra colors might not seem as important as, say, processor speed or camera sensor quality. But the different shades that a smartphone is available in can make a difference to how broadly it appeals to different groups of people. That's perhaps even more the case when it comes to the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and the Galaxy Z Fold 5. A lot of people are going to be buying a foldable phone because of its form factor and its aesthetic, and the colors a phone is available in play into that. That is it, guys. Without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe. Like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.